The Falken Ziex CT60 all-season tire, specifically designed for modern crossover utility vehicles, provides a combination of long tread life and all-weather safety. Featuring advanced all-season tread compound technology, drivers will experience shorter stopping distances, providing a more durable, trustworthy tire year-round. The Falken Ziex CT60 is designed to accommodate the ride height of modern crossover platforms that would otherwise be sacrificed by tires developed for passenger cars or pickups. The crossover-specific tire construction ensures the tire footprint is always firmly in contact with the road, providing optimal handling, stability, and defense against rough weather conditions and other obstacles. The 4D Nano design features new compound advancements through biomass materials to help improve tread flexibility and adhesion, while simultaneously reducing polymer heat generation. 4 wide circumferential grooves resist hydroplaning by quickly evacuating water through the tread pattern, providing secure contact with the road in heavy rain. 3D canyon sipes interlock the shoulder blocks to resist wear commonly associated with crossovers due to their higher center of gravity. The asymmetrical tread pattern, consisting of polygonal-shaped inside grooves that provide more edges to increase wet and snow traction, is combined with a high-rigidity outside shoulder rib that delivers the handling and stability necessary for CUVs. And the silica-enriched tread compound delivers superior wear life and wet performance over a wide range of operating temperatures. Popular fitments for the Ziex CT60 include Chevrolet Equinox, Chevrolet Traverse, Ford Edge, Ford Escape, GMC Terrain, Honda CR-V, and many other CUV applications. The new Ziex CT60 is available in more than 30 original equipment tire sizes from 16 to 20 inches, covering virtually every crossover vehicle on the road today. And it's backed by Falken's leading 65,000-mile tread life warranty, along with a 30-day ride guarantee and road hazard protection. Falken Ziex CT60 AS delivers true all-season performance and safety for crossover utility vehicles.